Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to show you how you can easily change the fuel pump in your BMW E53 X5 5 Series and a number of other models. Alright y'all, so if you have an older BMW, some parts are starting to fail, and one of those things that can fail is your fuel pump. Now in this case, it actually failed for us out on the road, which is a bit of a drag, but thankfully it's a relatively easy fix, and I'm going to walk you through the whole process. So now these instructions are going to be really good, obviously on an E53 X5, so that's the original X5, but the same generation of 5 Series is essentially identical, and when it really comes down to it, it's not all that different. I mean, if you look at even the most modern cars, the process is almost exactly the same. The pumps will be a little bit different, some of the connections might be a little bit different, but you actually could use these instructions for almost any BMW, but in this case it is going to be that E53 X5. Now this isn't all that hard. I'm going to walk you through the whole process. It only takes a few simple tools, and I always want to stress everything that you need will be listed in the video description below. Tools, parts, anything else like that, torque values, anything you need will be listed there. So if you're looking at it later and you're like, hey, where do I find that tool or where do I find that part? That's how you find it. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the car because the very first thing we're going to do is pull out the back seat. All right, y'all, so one of the very first things you want to do is actually take out your seat base on your back seat. So forgive me as I get in the way here. You just grab it and pull. As you can tell, it comes up nice and loose like that. So you just fit it out and away. Now you can tip it forward. Now in this case, I've got heated back seats, so be careful when you do this so you can see all the cabling. In addition, you can see my sound skins material here as well. So I'm actually going to show cutting that away, or cutting the disc here so I can actually get in here when I get in. But if you don't have that, obviously you'd skip that step.